Here we have a demo file about product order this April. This will be the data input for TeamPal agent to analyze. We will ask the sales agent for analyzing data within this sheet. A simple step to fact check and be sure that agent can read your data. How many orders of Cara pillowcase are in the order status of in transit? Regarding color and size, let's ask the agent count the orders and group by color and size. The next question is, how many orders of each product? With data analysis skill, the agent will use Python to solve the math. Cool, right? Let's create a chart based on the data. Each column represents a different product type, making it easy to quickly see which products are ordered most frequently.